I will give. Okay? Don't worry. I know you are waiting for this. Happy now?